guys, it's Layla, and today I will be trying to film my cats. What is that there? I don't know if you can. No, can't. Well, you saw one. Yeah, I'm filming you, cappers. My name's Kippers. I know I already have a video of this, but now, Eamon, what did I tell you? That's not your food. Yeah, you're looking at me like that. That's your food. That's my cat's food. There. Now eat away. I'm filming my cat, Aiden. Hi. What's the matter with you? Eat your own food. Telling you this for a reason, Eamon. Eat your own food. Yeah, and there's the litter box. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Layla. You probably can't tell because it's really dark in this room I'm in. I think this works now. Yeah, because door doesn't work. And no, this is not my room. It's my mom and dad's room. Where's my cat at? Kitty! Baby kitty! I'm going to take a look at the video. Hey, Chippy! Hey, Chippy! No one petting her. Is this... Oh, let the fans look at you. You're so cute. Yes, I'm petting my cat. She's actually like one, I guess. It's so hard to actually film her because she's faster than my cat. I mean, because she's a lot littler. Yes, my baby cap. She's a cap. She's a capper. Her name is Captain Kitty because when we found her, she was actually standing on a boat, like on top of a boat. So that's why we called her Captain Kitty, because it was like she was captain of all kitties. Oh, baby. I never see you. I can't pick her up. She's like really feisty because she was an outside cat. She's getting better though. Actually, she's a lot better than last time. I wish you could see the colors. Good night. Hey. Hi, baby. He's so cute. Yeah, she is. Alright, I'm sorry, guys. I'm just filming my cat away. Oh. I know you don't want to be filmed. That's what you're trying to make me not do, right? It's totally obvious that you don't want to be filmed. You never want to be filmed. Am I right? Am I right? Oh, it's kind of hard for me to film you. No. Baby. Alright, you guys are probably thinking, well, I want to see the other cat too, so. Hi, Baby. Hi, baby. Okay. I'm going to stand here and film you until you leave. Oh, no, you don't want to film me though. I got you staring at a wall. Oh, that cat is busted! Eamon! You're busted! It's got your food! Oh my God. You're very lazy. Stop biting me! Stop biting me. You're so cute! Can I get your eye? Oh, man, don't move. Ow! Ow! I understand you don't want me to film you. I understand. Amen, that is your food. The other cat isn't you. It's your sister. That cat that I was just filming like a few minutes ago was not my cat Aven's sister. I'm saying sister because she is a girl. Let's get a little bit closer to my cat. I'm not actually walking, guys. I'm just zooming my camera in. And if you guys didn't know you could do that on film, you can. You can just like move your fingers like going side to side on your screen, and then it will work. Kitty, kitty, ow! Oh, where's my other cat? I'm curious. Is she? No. Where's she? I think this video is complete. So, bye guys.